You get that rope, Mikey. Yeah, you get it. Come on, you can get it. Or you can just come and do puppy stuff. Oh, going back in for another try, Mom. Oh, might be nap time. I'm starting to run out of a little bit of steam. Not quite yet. I'm going to give this rope one more tug. Yeah, you tell it, Mikey. You tell that ball. Oh, there's another one. You're so tiny it fits under your tummy. You can pick it up. There you go. You get it. Okay. Oh, try again. Oh, that's a wonderful little teething toy. It beats the heck out of Ellie's ears. Oh, there I am again. Close up. All right. Good boy, Mikey. Oh. There we go. Okay, let's go see what Ellie's up to. Let's go see Ellie.